70. Dual deploy, his first dual deploy, so we'll keep our fingers crossed for him with that one. We saw the last one with the parachute coming out kind of at the last second, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. Alright, range is clear, range is now closed, power is on, and we will launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Even with headphones,
Wow, that is a beautiful launch.
Even with headphones, that's really loud.
Yeah.
They go so high, I don't see how you
Vent.
There it is. I see it.
I saw a puff, but I don't see. I see a chute. I see a little red one.
Yep, you got first event. That's a good sign.
It's way the hell out there though, Wayne. You're gonna be doing some walking.
Oh, just
How far away?
It's. You see it?
No, yeah.
Yeah, I got my eye on it. It's right above that contrail.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Right about across it,
Okay,
right there.
see it.
Got it? Okay.
Should go at 500.
Maybe you won't have to walk too far.
Anytime.
You're still got a couple hundred feet. And about now.
There you go.
And
Where?
you saw the
Yeah,
event.
Oh, there.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
And
Nope.
It didn't hit too hard though.